So brain dumping, just imagine, is all your clean laundry that were originally either in the dryer, the clothesline, or in the laundry basket, and you've just dumped it. They're all just all on the bed, or all on the couch, or all on the dining table. Now, the categorizing, just like we've done here, is you are sorting the socks, the underwear, the t-shirt, your clothes, hubby's clothes, the kids' clothes, the linen, the towels. That's all you're doing for the moment when you categorize. All right, so when we're categorizing things we'd like to do for today and tomorrow, that could be all the tea towel. Okay, if we're categorizing all the things we need to do for the week, that could be all the towels. If we need to categorize all the things for the month, that could be just sorting through all the other linen, all the bed sheets and all the bed linen. Okay, so if you imagine what brain dumping is like, it's like sorting through your clean laundry. Okay, just dumping it all, putting it in their categories. Right, so that's what it is. So now when you put them in the categories, it's a lot easier to see because all the socks are together, all the towels are together, all the linen are together, all your clothes, their clothes. That is what this is. So it makes a lot more sense rather than trying to, get one thing out of the laundry basket and then putting it away, right? We know we got to put the laundry, the clean laundry away. But if we try and sort through all the one basket at a time, it's just too overwhelming. And then it can't sort through it. So hopefully that makes a lot more sense why it's important to brain dump.